No way that thing's still spinning, man. He had one of the best moves ever. In Beyblade, a lot of characters can be seen controlling their Beyblades, but this is the one character that actually has one called Infinite Spin. With Archer Hercules, I'm going to show you how to make the Infinite Spin move in real life. Stick around. If you have this Beyblade, it actually never stops. But how do we keep it spinning? By magic? By resonance? Or something else? Well, as you can see, there's nothing touching it, and it still keeps spinning. There's no actual moving parts, no mechanical parts that are making Archer Hercules move. So how exactly am I doing this? Well, you see, the trick is right under the stadium. This is a special base that I've actually got from Amazon, and it's for a Forever Spin top. Now, it's totally different than a Beyblade, but the concept is the same. We want to remain spinning for a long time. So to achieve that, we actually have a little magnet that's inside, and what I've done is take out the magnet from its enclosure. And what I've done is actually made a Frankenstein driver. I used Hasbro, Takara, and fake parts to achieve this Beyblade modification. And inside of the driver, you will see that it has a magnet, and it's not just a regular magnet, it's a dipole magnet. If you want to know exactly how this works, I will link down in the description the video for the Science Lab, which is actually one of my favorite channels to watch, and where I actually got the idea for this concept. And I know that this is Revolve, and it's supposed to be Eternal. But honestly, I just could not give up my Eternal to do it. Best thing actually that, in hindsight, I should have used this bearing. Maybe for the next modification, I'll be able to use it. It will probably help with the spin, as Revolve isn't that great. After a lot of testing, I did find out that, well, it's not necessarily the best thing to do, especially with my Revolve driver. It doesn't have enough stamina for this ability to work. Maybe I'll try using a bearing driver, and that may give us more stamina and less friction. Now, while in battle, it was also not the best thing to do, not the best thing to have a forever spinning Beyblade, as it didn't have any burst resistance anyways. If you are planning to do it yourself, I do suggest getting a stronger magnet than what is supplied with the kit for the Forever Spin Top set. But what do you think? Do you like the Forever Spin Beyblade? Are you going to try this Beyblade modification? Let me know down in the comments below. And on the screen, you'll see a couple of videos that I think you'll love. Click on one of them, and I'll see you there.